Ah, here she is. Pegasus, a 2002 Hunt 36 Sedan Hardtop Express Cruiser from the drawing boards of Ray Hunt Design, the folks who invented and refined the deep V hull form which revolutionized powerboating the world over. What a handsome vessel, and capable too, with waterjet propulsion and a truly innovative joystick for easy docking. Here we are about to watch Pegasus slide sideways into a dock. What separates her from the crowd, Hinckley picnic boats and Little Harbor whisper jets come to mind, is her ability to crab sideways easily without the need for a noisy bow thruster. Pegasus has one, by the way, but as mentioned, it is not needed for maneuvering in tight quarters because, unlike others that connect both water jets together and therefore rely heavily on a bow thruster, this joystick allows the Hamilton water jets to work independently of one another. Note how the helmsperson hovers just off the dock with ease and total control, and no bow thruster. Also unique to Pegasus, the joystick is tied directly into the throttles, providing even more control, especially in challenging conditions. Twin 440 horsepower diesels provide an incredibly quiet 32-knot cruise, while also allowing the boat to run nicely at slow planing speeds from 15 knots on up. Pegasus is hands down one of the best jet boats we have ever run. With cake and eat it too seating for a gaggle of family and friends on deck, and a terrific interior for a cruising couple, including a recently refit galley, she is an intriguing yacht and a great value in today's market. Please contact Wellington Yacht Partners for a complete history and further details.